station in Bermuda trying to make through to the hurricane net.
I'm sorry, who's the VP station? VP9 November India N4NPI. Just about launched you, John. Any storm surge thus far that you know of, over? Oh, much better, John. Welcome back, over. Winds southwest 30 to 45 at building 951 millibars. You're on UPS power and some surge. Did you see the surge or did you hear about the surge? Over.
So the station is in Bermuda. Light copy.
Okay, very good, very good. Did you say your house is okay? Your house is okay, over? Okay, very good, very good. Anything else we can do? Can you comment on anything, any damage that you've heard of, over? Okay, cell and data is spotty, but phone service seems to be working okay. Home hospital damage, some surge. Anything else you can think about that you might pass to us, over? Okay, do you know if they had to evacuate from the hospital? Did they evacuate the patients, or can you comment on that, over? Okay, very good. Well, I wish you well. Maybe you can get a few winks tonight. We'll be here, as you know, around the clock, so, but we'll be listening for you at the bottom of each hour, over. Okay, the Hurricane Center in Miami has two questions for you. They would like you to check back in 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Could you do that, over? Okay, yeah, 30 minutes, and they want to know if Ed Kelly, heard from Ed Kelly, VP9 Golf Echo, over? Okay, John, very good. Do you need any weather information, or are you getting something there locally, or do you need something from us, over? Okay, let me pull that up. I have it right here. Let me see. Hold on just 1 minute. And by the way, you've got a tremendous signal here. Okay, here's the latest update on Gonzalo. Tropical Storm Cyclone was issued at 9 p.m. Atlantic time. You copy okay? Okay, large eye of dangerous Hurricane Gonzalo over Bermuda. At approximately 8:30 p.m. Atlantic time, the center of the large eye of Hurricane Gonzalo made landfall along the south central coast of Bermuda. Based on data from the Bermuda radar, inland surface observations, and reports from an amateur radio operator located in Devonshire Parish, who might that be? Bermuda, over. Yes, sir, that's you. Continuing, during the past hour, Bermuda Airport reported a sustained wind of 74 miles per hour, 119 kilometers, and a gust of 96 miles per hour before the northeastern portion of the eye moved over the airport. Current location, 32.3 north, 64.8 west, just about over Bermuda. Maximum 10 miles per hour present movement for 0 north-southeast to 030 degrees at 16 miles per hour. And from your report, measured pressure 951 millibars. Over. Well, as you can see, we certainly appreciate your input, John. Glad you're well, and we'll break with you in possibly in 30 minutes. Would you please give us a call back? Over. I lost you, but break with you. That was VP9 November India in Bermuda, and I'll pass it back to Let's Control AC0ML. I think NHC's got everything that they need. Over.
Roger, that's I asked Julio on that. I have not found a response on that time, but we'll continue to monitor. The question I had, Dave, was what's the decrease in signal up over?
I don't know. I suspect that maybe the antenna is fallen down, but he couldn't have got it. John, are you still there? Over. Okay, from 12 to 35 watts. Thank you very much for that. We'll save your battery power. We'll talk to you in 30 minutes. So we do.
I heard that I could hear him. He was saying he's going to go QRT, which is he's going to get off the air because he's got low power. He's on battery. And he's running like 30 watts or something. He's in Bermuda in the hurricane. This is the real McCoy here. So this is the hurricane net. It was on 14.235, and at QSY is the 7.268 at 0800 or 0100 Zulu.
Go ahead and file report for emergency.
The band's kind of noisy tonight. That's without my filters. There's my noise blanker. There's the noise reducer.
Ken. I won't submit that right now, so I'll be standing by for just a few moments. Over.
I was tempted to go outside and string up the 40-meter bazooka tonight so that I can monitor this frequency. I'm still thinking about doing it. It's a little bit of work because I got to take the 10-meter down and use the coax for that. I don't know how much better signal I'd get, so.
Kilo, Mike 4, Mike Alpha, 0, Mike Lima. You get a good copy on John last time over?
I'm going to upload. We're clear.